Hello everyone, welcome back to the Weekend Software. Today's going to be a quick video on how I mounted these recovery boards on my spare tire. Very easy here. So first thing is we just have a single strap that goes through the recovery board. It goes all the way down through my spare tire, and I made a little hole in the cover so then I can put this through my spare tire. And it's just one strap so far. I've had this on for like 4 months and it hasn't budged. And I also have a lock, so then it's not easily stolen, and it doubles as a safety strap as well. So if this were to ever come loose, snap or whatever, I still have this steel cable to hold it up in place. Very easy to get to. All I have to do is just undo this strap, unlock, pull it out, and then I'm ready to use the recovery board. So again, very easy, very budget friendly recovery board mount that anyone can do if you have a spare tire, or if you want to put on your roof. Just using lashing straps like this will work as well. So with that, let me know what your thoughts are. Talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.